Just make sure it comes into focus. Hi, my name's Drishna and I'm a medical student at King's College London. I've just completed my third year and I'll be intercalating in cardiovascular medicine in the year to come. This is my first video and there'll be a range of topics that I'll be covering. Today I'll be talking about taking care of yourself during exams, which is of course a very important topic. And yeah, if there's anything else that you would like me to cover, feel free to put suggestions in the comment section. So let's get right on to the first tip. So the first tip will help you to improve your mindset, and that is creating an achievable revision plan. So make a revision plan based on your strengths and weaknesses. And the reason why this will help with your mindset is that it will help you to focus on controllable factors, which is a really healthy mindset to have. And also it helps you to focus on, you'll know that during the exam period that, look, you've done what you can and you've done what you could do in the time that you allocated for it. The second tip that I would suggest is lowering the activation energy, you could say, as much as possible to revise. So it's really easy to beat yourself up with guilt of what you haven't done to study, but that's not very helpful in terms of revision, because in my experience, it kind of prevents you from studying. So instead, what you want to do is take the smallest baby steps. So for example, when I was revising for UCAT, and I still do this, but when I was revising for UCAT, I was already feeling quite burnt out because we'd already had exams to prepare for A-level. So we had mock A-level exams in the previous year, which would give us our predicted grades, and various other things were going on. So I was feeling really burnt out. But when it came to revising for UCAT, I knew I had to revise. So I made the smallest target of doing only one practice question every time I entered my room. And I would tell myself I would not feel any guilt if I didn't do any more questions. But often what happens is once you've done that one question, you end up getting a bit of momentum to do another question and another question. And before you know it, you've done quite a decent number of questions, and then you leave your room to go get a snack or something, and then you come back and then you do another question. So it really helps with overcoming the activation energy. It's kind of funny, but it works for me. So hopefully it'll work for you too. Oh dear. Oh, my card fell down. Right, so the third tip will be to make sure that you're taking breaks that will actually rejuvenate you, but no distractions. It depends on what works for you, but you can try limiting the time you spend on your smartphone, and yeah, make sure that the breaks that you take are actually recharging you and they're not creating more distractions. So for example, going outside is a really good break. Eating a healthy snack, some fruit or something, or maybe doing some stretches, some yoga, some meditation, whatever works for you. And of course, bonus tip goes without saying, make sure that you're keeping yourself hydrated and that you are sleeping enough hours and that you are continuing to do some exercise, because that will help you to perform at the best of your ability, of course. So yeah, I really hope that you found this video useful. If you did, then please do let me know, and let me know anything else that you'd like to see. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!